Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, let me get in line here. I feel like I should say, Scotty, beam me up. Beam. Hey guys, we're having rain today, and I guess with the reflection that's not coming in from the outside because of the rain, and you might could hear it hitting my garden window, I'm getting these strong lights coming down from my lights overhead, and I can't move that. But I'm not going to let that stop me today. I'm going to say welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say hi. And if you're a returning subscriber friend, I want to say a special hello to you. And if you're new here, I want to ask you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you will know my next video. Now today, we're having Stickii. Yeah, I got Stickii today. This is a monthly subscription, and of course it's all about stickers. And each month you get a themed package, and you can get themes from pop, you can get themes from cute, and you can get themes from vintage. This month I got themes from cute. I just seem to probably like cute more than the other styles. Last month or this month I could have got vintage, and it had like a bunch of snails and stuff on it, and I just wasn't too much into that. But I'm not saying that you wouldn't like that. I just didn't like it for myself. But you got that choice. Now one thing I will tell you, they always come in a sleeve like this, and you can put it in a binder. I did purchase one of those binders, and it looks like this. And as you can see, I have my own decor on the outside because it's clear. But you have you put your sticker page in here, and then you've just got them all handy in here to reach and grab. And I really like that. And they send you one sleeve per month, and we've got a little thunder going on too, so you may hear that in the video, I'm not sure. But this month we got some corner stickers that you would use on the corners, and it says Kawaii Academic, I guess is what that says. And then inside here we got some like stencil looking like stickers. I think they're kind of clear. I'm not real sure, but yeah, they're definitely plastic, and they're definitely stickers. So I'm going to just show those to you this way, and I'm going to leave them intact. And on this sleeve, just so that it doesn't fall out, it also has like a flap, so it will securely hold any small items that you might have inside there, and that's a nice little thing to know. We also got us a special notebook that we can use to decorate our stickers. And hey, if I didn't tell you, this runs $12 a month per style. I get the cute style. It's $12. You can save $5 on your first order with my link down in the description. So if you're interested in this and you want to save $5, then go ahead and use that link. And if you do, let me know that you did so I can thank you, because if you do use it, I get $5 too. So it's a kind of a bonus. It's a win-win. But this here is a little notepad that you can use to put more stickers on and decorate, make a little cute note, and add your stickers on there if you want to, and or use it in crafting. I will say you can use this for journaling, crafting. You can use it for your calendar books, for special days and things like that. So you can use them for all kinds of things. Now the stickers that I got this month are right here, and we have quite a few stickers. And they have designers that do these stickers, of course. So on here you can see that there's a designer named Poochie or Pachi, and that is the designer of these stickers. Aren't those cute? And I guess it's like a whimsical, I don't know, I think it's candy and pens, it looks like, or maybe it's ink and pens. And then we have this one. Isn't that cute? We have this style, which is, you can see it's got a little glitter on there with the little, I don't know if that's a bunny or like a little teddy bear that's holding it, maybe a little fox. We have this style, which is, to me it looks like little kittens that are around your books and everything, so you can be having that for library reading days. We have this one, which is a little boy out sailing, and then playing and just different things, going on a picnic, flying a kite, just really fun things. And then we have these little stickers that you can use, and you can see some of these you could use for borders. And then this is Kate that you could use for borders if you want to use it for borders. So there's lots of variety in these stickers, different kinds for different things. And like I said, it's only $12 a month. And then if you want to get this particular binder, it runs around $16 on their site. And I'm going to have the link to my, of course, to my discount for you, and down in the bottom, and it'll have the website, or it should. Whoops. But anyways, you can easily store your stickers, just really easy. And they have it in clear, so you can see through there. And they also have, like, you know, I've got pink, they had blue, and I think they had white. There was like several different colors to choose from. So that is my Stickii. What do you think? Do you have a favorite of all of these? Do you have a favorite of any one of these? We just got all kinds of cute little stickers here. And like I said, they'll be great for journaling. And then we got this banner one here that you can put on the borders for edges. And I don't know if you've seen much of the detail on that, but there you go. Just all kinds of stickers. Then you got these little stamp stickers, I guess they call them. So just all kinds of stickers to use. I don't know which one's my favorite. Out of all of these, I'm going to say my favorite is going to be the little kitties. And then I like that one with the little kid that was being whimsical and playing and rocket riding, kite flying, going on a picnic. I like this one. So these two are my favorite. What is your favorite? Let me know down in the description. Oh, there's one more item here. We've got some more cards. Sometimes they'll send us, like, I want to say, like little cards that you could use for recipes or for writing on. And then again, send in a note. This here is an envelope. And on the back side it has Poochie. So it is the Poochie design. And then on the inside, if you want to write someone a letter, there are 2 sheets of paper here with Poochie on there. So isn't that cute? So you get a variety of items, and that's really cute. So you've got some lined paper. I don't know if you can tell it with the reflection off of there, but it's lightly lined. And then you've got the little Poochie on there. And that is just really adorable. And then here is the outside of the envelope. It's just so cute. Everything's just well put together. And a handwritten note can go a long ways these days. So now, with that said, that is what I have today for Stickii. If you're interested, be sure and check my description. You can save $5 on yours first order, and that will reduce it down to like $7. Guys, the shipping's only $1, so that would cost you $8, and of course if there's any tax. But that is just really a good buy, I think. And even afterwards, after it's $12, it's $13 because you have the dollar shipping. So keep that in mind. That is my Stickii for today. I really appreciate you hanging out with me. I'm sorry that I'm looking like I'm going to be beamed up any minute now, but that's just part of the fun, right? So as for today and Stickii, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for the $5 off link, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that may be currently going on. And as usual, you all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.